The way they're living in 2050, because what do you mean I can have an LED face mask and it feels like a gel mask? I started using red light therapy about a year ago and my skin has never looked better. My fine lines from me having a very expressive face are almost gone and I don't have as much acne. It's really helped me in my skincare process and I use it 10 minutes a day daily. Hi, I'm Rylan. I just wanted to come on here and review this red Solo Light face mask that feels like a gel mask because it's super bendy. It's to reduce fine lines, to promote collagen naturally, and it helps with acne. And I am someone who loves red light therapy. It has really helped with my skin. So with this face mask, it's not like those hard face masks that you usually have. It's very bendy. It can basically bend 180 degrees. Like, it's super nice, super flexible, and it doesn't feel very hard. There's no like pinching. I can just put it on my face and it literally molds into my face. The little logo right here that says Light Your Wealth is so cute. It also has these protective goggles that you can wear and it just helps make your eyes feel like they're on pillows. As you can see, it's like Hailey Bieber eating the sushi. It's very breathable. The nose is breathable. And if you are super busy like me, it's absolutely perfect because I can just let this run for 10 minutes, hands-free, and it has a timer so it will stop automatically. And not only does it have red light therapy, but it also has blue light, which helps with acne, and it has yellow light and infrared. It has 6 modes, and you can easily tell what mode you're on because it tells you right on the remote. It's literally so easy for my ADHD brain to just kind of like clock out and focus on things that are really important while doing my skincare. It has some Velcro right here. It's super easy to attach and detach, or if your hands shake like mine, not to mention it's super stretchy. Now for me, the top of my head is a little bit bigger, so you can move the Velcro out a little bit more, and then when it gets closer to your face, you can move it in a little bit more, so it does have 2 attachments. And then of course, when we want to put her away, there's this beautiful satin bag that she comes with. She's so pretty. And it's fully rechargeable, so it is going to come with an HDMI. There's also an attachment at the top, so the top of your head can feel nice and secure. There is a way to put this on so the Velcro doesn't stick to your hair, because I had a little trouble with that when I was first putting this on. So you don't have to be blonde like me. We're going to attach the back first, and then we're going to attach the other side that feels very soft to the right side. That way we don't get it stuck in our hair. It's really just 1, 2, 3, and then it's just on there. We just press to start. And then as you can hear, there's a little clicky sound. It does go up 2 extra volumes. So if you're lost in your thoughts or you're on a business call or something like that, you can hear the timer going off. The first one is red light therapy, and it's my favorite. It says repairing. So this is going to really repair everything. It's going to get rid of those fine lines from my expressive face. Yes, we have an expressive face.
2.
The next one we have is rejuvenation, and this is yellow, so it's going to help with that hyperpigmentation, the dark spots. So this is a good one if you have any dark spots. The next one is anti-aging. So again, this is the red light therapy. It's going to help with the whole aging process, reducing wrinkles, getting rid of fine lines. We have morning skincare, which you can see is the yellow. So if you're doing your skincare routine in the morning, this is a great one. Anti-acne. So as you can see, this is the blue light. It helps fight acne, gives you that clear skin. Then we have bedtime skincare, which is the yellow. Now, this one is going to be great for nighttime if you do your nighttime skincare routine. I like to do my red light therapy 10 minutes a day. I normally do it in the evenings. It just helps me relax. And then there's also what I like to call sports mode. So it's just going to blink a little bit. Obviously, don't use this if you're a little bit sensitive to that. But it's going to help with the elasticity. So it's going to give your skin that nice plump look, that nice like bounce. And I just feel like I want to do like a little techno dance with it. In about 10 minutes, I'm just going to take this off. See how we did. 1, 2, 3. Super easy to get off my hair. Looks a mess, sorry. Let's get my hair not looking like a mess, yeah. You can see I'm not like pinching anywhere. I don't feel like that dryness that I get with a lot of LED masks. And I'm not feeling like red. I don't see red anywhere where it was like really stuck on my head like I do with most masks. This has been so much fun. I absolutely love this mask. I just want to give her a nice hug.